On the floor of Groundwater Week 2018 with the friends from Franklin Electric here with Jeff Frank. And Jeff, tell us about FranklinTECH Online.
Well, starting in 2019, we're going to launch a program that we're very excited about at Franklin Electric. We've been doing training for more than 20 years for contractors in the groundwater industry, and now we're going to be expanding that into an online format. What that means is that the training will be available to our contractors, the professionals in this industry, when they need it and in the ways that they need it. By doing an online program, we're going to be able to offer them training where they don't have to come to us, rather we can bring the courses to them. So in the past, the training was always done at a Franklin facility, either in Oklahoma or Fort Wayne. Those trainings will continue, but now we'll have training that they can take at their leisure, at their schedules and their convenience when they're ready and when they need to. So what this means is it is going to allow for our customers to get relevant content on new products, industry best practices, installations, applications. As products become more complex, as competition becomes more strong, as our contractors are spending more time in the field, it's important to be able to provide them the training that they need in the ways that they need it. And we really feel like this program is going to be a way for them to really take advantage of these tools that they've had in the past only by traveling, but now they can do it on their schedules. So not only for the primary business owners, but this training is also going to allow them to train all the customers, or excuse me, all the employees within their business so that everyone's on the same page with the same training.
Yeah, so exciting news. Franklin Electric always ahead of the curve, and they're doing so again. It is FranklinTECH Online. Be sure and check it out. Booth 419 right here at Groundwater Week 2018.